Om सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा श्री वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह गुरुद्वारा गुरसागर साहिब near Sukhna Lake at Chandigarh. It's in India. So here is a special message for the aspirants of Samadhi and liberation through Ashtanga Yoga. Now let's talk. Go straight to the point. There is yoga is ocean deep and sky is the limit. So here is the message for the advanced yoga practitioners, those who are practicing Khechari, rarest of the rare, and teaching, of course. So here the message is, little knowledge is a dangerous thing. So here the message goes, little knowledge is a dangerous thing. So in case of Khechari, here is an example before you. First, I had a chance to interact with the Europeans in the Western culture, then Americans, Denmark. So here the message is, see, I'm citing an example of, a wonderful young yogi. He's Amin from Denmark, my Muslim tiger friend. See how he mastered Khechari within months online. He was with me. Oh, I salute you. Oh, Tiger Amin, your dedication. Oh, again, hats off you for your dedication and how you have been practicing for us together, Trataka. Now, recently, he talked to me yesterday that he has mastered your Basti Karma, one of the toughest Shat Karmas. Kunjarneti, Dhoti, Basti, Tratak. So he mastered Khechari within months. So it's a message especially for the Indian students, even the teachers abroad, those who are taking 50 hours course, 170 hours course and teaching God to win your bread. It's very important. Yoga, it's an industry. But in case of Khechari, some of the teachers even might not have heard the name of Khechari, Vajrali, Kevali Kumbhaka. So I will be sharing the number of Amin. That's why I say yoga is, it's ocean deep and sky is the limit. We cannot, the yoga cannot be, limited to the geographical boundaries, or nationalities. No. Yoga is for all the planets, even Babaji, Guru Nanak Dev Ji here. Lakha Akash, Lakha Patar. So this planet Earth is not the only limit. Lakha Akash, lakhs of planets, millions of planets, infinity. So here the message. Again, I'm sharing the number of Amin. Talk to him. See, he can be your ideal Denmark. Keep it up. Then he's doing Trataka for hours together. Then Basti Karma he has mastered. I was so glad to hear to him today. Talk to him that he mastered Basti, one of the toughest. See his Noli Kriya. So it was the message, especially for the young generation and the aspirants of Samadhi. So to go very deep into the yoga and not to make the mistake. Here is a simile that a bullock cart driver should never make an attempt to fly a jet plane like F-16, and nor he should try to teach others to take them to unknown vistas of lunatic asylums or other deformities. So here's the message. K. Yogi Vinodanand, welcome to Gurudwara Gursagar Sahib. We have started already a wellness center here, and yoga is one of the top features of it. All the yogis have already started landing from UK, number of places. And Mr. Harlan, Tiger Harlan, who's the master of Khechari, top, strive for the best, Shakespeare, strive for the best. So they all be landing here. And again, I salute Verak Rinpoche, my friend. I consider him as, my ideal, My lineage, Devraha Baba, who was the master of 10 mudras. And here, your Verak Rinpoche, who remains in dark retreat like cave sadhana for months together. And automatic Khechari is a new concept which he induced Khechari in many devotees in the dark retreat. That is automatic Khechari. You need not chop off the lingual frenulum as we do in Khechari. Your energy rising, rising, the tongue is automatically taken behind the vulva to the cave from where the nectar oozes. That makes you ageless, make you like this. Be a yogi, then teach yoga. Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Mahakal. Jai Mahakal. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Gurudwara Gursagar Sahib. Be a part of this venture. It's a service to the humanity. And I name here, with whose grace it's all happening. This is Biba Charan Kamal ji. Charan Kamal in English means the lotus feet. Charan means the feet and Kamal means lotus. So we have to become a lotus flower who is not touched by the water where anyway. So most welcome to this place. Chairperson Biba Charan Kamal ji and Baba Pritpal Singh ji. It's their creation. See, wonderfully they have, at Chandigarh. Most welcome, most conducive place here for your samadhi.